Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. Today we are going to talk about IELTS band scores. IELTS band score is numeric representation of a student's performance in English language. It shows the level of their proficiency in English language. In IELTS, band score ranges from band 1 to 9. Band 1 is the lowest level, which means that learner can only use individual words in limited situations, whereas band 9 is the highest language capability representative, and it shows that the user is an expert language user and he can use it in different kind of scenarios. For details, have a look at this picture. There are 4 modules in IELTS. 2 of them are objective. They are listening and reading. Whereas other 2 modules, they are subjective, speaking and writing. Listening and reading, they have similar criteria as far as band scores are concerned. Both these modules, they consist of 40 questions. Students, they are given scores on the basis of their correct answers. Then the score that a student obtains is converted into band scores with the help of a table. For details, have a look at this table. Coming to IELTS speaking, band criteria here is totally different. Bands are granted on the basis of 4 elements. The ratio of bands in all those elements is same. These elements are pronunciation, fluency and coherence, lexical resources, and the last one is grammatical range and accuracy. For details, have a look at this picture. The last module is writing. Criteria of bands in writing is also a little bit different from speaking. In writing, we have 2 tasks, task 1 and task number 2. Both these tasks, they are evaluated on the basis of 9 bands each. However, the criteria for both these tasks is same. This criteria is also based on 4 elements. The first one is task achievement and task response. The second one is lexical resource, then coherence and cohesion, and the last one is grammatical range and accuracy. One thing that should be noted here is the ratio of band scores in task 2 is more as compared to task 1. The ratio of both these tasks is added, and then IELTS academic writing or general writings band score is calculated. For details, have a look at this picture. IELTS band scores, they can also be given in half. For example, a student can have 4.5, 5.5, 6.5 band scores, and so on. For details, have a look at this picture. Now coming to this question, that how many bands are sufficient for a student? This varies from student to student. It also depends on the level of academic education that you want to get yourself enrolled into, or the kind of organization you want to work for. In some organizations or academic institutions, 6 bands may be considered sufficient, whereas others may accept 7 or 7.5. So that is solely responsibility of the organization or the institution. Last thing in this lecture today that students should keep in their mind is validity of IELTS result is for 2 years only. It means after 2 years your result will not be accepted by any organization or any academic institution. After this period, you need to retake the test to prove your language proficiency. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next exciting video. Allah Hafiz.